Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gaurav. Welcome back to my channel. And as you all know, Tesla and SpaceX CEO is Elon Musk. He has had quite a year this year. Despite the ongoing pandemic, his wealth has grown exponentially. He's one of the rarest tech CEOs who is very active on Twitter. From memes to jokes to news about Tesla, he keeps sharing everything in his Twitter handle. Not just all of these, but he also keeps sharing and recommending books to his fans and fellow followers. So I'm going to be recommending all those 20 books that were actually recommended by Elon Musk. So if you're new on this channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. We are very close to hitting 160 subscribers, so just let's make it happen. And let's keep a target of 10 likes on this video. And now without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first book is Life 3.0, which is written by Max Tegmark. The second book is 0 to 1, which is written by Peter Thiel. The third book is 12 Against the Gods, which is written by William Bolitho. The fourth book is The Big Picture, which is written by Sean Carroll. The fifth book is Super Intelligence, which is written by Nick Bostorm. The sixth book is Lying, which is written by Sam Harris. The seventh book is Screw Business as Usual by Richard Branson. The eighth book is Atlas Shrugged by Ayn Rand. The ninth book is Deamon by Daniel Suarez. The 10th book is Merchants of Doubt, which is written by Naomi Orskes and Eric M. Conway. The 11th book is The Wealth of Nations by Adam Smith. The 12th book is Ignitions, which is written by John D. Clarke. The 13th book is Das Kapital, which is written by Karl Marx. The 14th book is If the Universe is Teeming with Aliens, Where is Everybody by Stephen Webb. The 15th book is Dune by Frank Herbert. The 16th book is The Moon is a Harsh Mistress by Robert A Heinlein. The 17th book is The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. Benjamin Franklin by Walter Isaacson is the 18th book, and Consider Feelbad by Ian M. Banks is the 19th book, and the 20th book is a series which is called as a Foundation series, which is written by Isaac Asimov. So I have left all of the books that were in this list in the description and their links to Amazon. If I didn't find them on Amazon, I didn't link them. So if you are not finding a link for a book, that means it's not available on Amazon. If you did like this video, please leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.